Hello, I'm meteorologist Adam Baker at the National Weather Service office in Peachtree City with this week's weather briefing. To recap the previous winter storm, here are the observed snow and sleet totals across the area. As you can see, all of north and central Georgia received some, and many areas had 2 to 3 inches with a few locally higher. Now, in addition to snow and sleet, there were some significant ice accumulations from freezing rain. This was mainly in the southwest portions of central Georgia, and some locations even got near half an inch. Now, if we take a step back and zoom out at the big picture, look at this modeled snow depth across the region. You can see some swaths of heavier 2+ inches in the north, and also further south just north of Macon. Note the heavier snow totals also in the Carolinas. The snow cover has not only impacted the roads, but also our temperatures. It's represented quite well here in the observed low temps we had, as there is a sharp difference from the southeast where the snow cover ends. The snow allowed for strong radiational cooling, and many locations dipped into the single digits with even some below zero. Amazingly, they still weren't low enough to break previous records. The morning satellite imagery on the left shows nicely the lingering snow cover under our mostly clear skies, while the clouds are exiting the southeast. Morning temperatures rebounding quickly from those overnight lows. What a cold air mass we were under. Here are the number of hours the area stayed below freezing during the event. As you can see, much of North Georgia had a solid 2 days below the freezing mark, making any snow and ice very difficult to melt, other than from sun exposure. This has in turn allowed for black ice to linger on many roadways. Even with some melting during the day, the cold overnight temps cause refreezing and pose a very dangerous situation. Until better melting occurs, travel is strongly discouraged. With afternoon temps set to be above freezing, there should be more melting, but lingering ice is still possible, and anything left by the evening will refreeze. On the roads, the situation is similar to 2011, as stretches of dry roadway are followed quickly by ice-covered stretches. Many areas should warm up to the upper 30s in the afternoon, so there should be some melting. However, they are forecast to quickly dip back below freezing after 7 p.m., and a hard freeze is again on tap, as overnight lows look to be in the teens to low 20s for many areas. We are therefore still stressing black ice potential overnight tonight, though this will depend greatly on how roads improve in the afternoon period. Areas left in the shade and any untreated roads are likely to have greater chance of lingering ice tonight into Friday morning. After 10 a.m. Friday, temps should quickly warm above freezing and even reach the low 50s for many areas by afternoon. Moving onward through the forecast period, since the weather just doesn't stop, we see the next chance of precipitation comes over the weekend, as southwest flow brings moisture with warmer temps back to the region. This time the precipitation form will be rain, nothing frozen, and the best chance for widespread showers will be in the Saturday night through Sunday night period with this approaching system. As a cold front looks to push through the area Sunday p.m., there should be some increasing instability with marginal wind shear, so we cannot rule out some strong thunderstorm development, but mainly for central Georgia. An even stronger system looks to influence the area early next week in the Tuesday to Wednesday period. Forecast models indicate a warm front lifting northward ahead of an approaching cold front from the west. By Tuesday night, the influence of the fronts combined with increasing instability and even stronger wind shear could lead to severe potential. Tornado and damaging wind threats are possible, but uncertainty is still pretty high this far out in the forecast. Please monitor the forecast for any changes in the timing and strength of this system. So in summary, the roller coaster winter continues. We have a lingering ice threat on the roadways through overnight into Friday morning. Please consult with local officials for road conditions. A weekend warm-up is on the horizon, the rain chances along with it by Saturday night through Sunday night. Cannot rule out some storms mainly in the south for Sunday p.m. We also are monitoring a potential even stronger storm system for early next week, where Tuesday night could be dealing with severe potential and possible tornado and damaging wind threats. Timing and strength of the system may very well change, so please keep checking back with our latest forecast.